It's everyone, Del21 here. We're going to try to hit this in under 3 minutes. As an update, I got the truck from the dealership and I noticed that what the dealer told me wasn't quite right. The CAN-C bus were not shorted. There were modules that were actually shorted. I went to my local Lamar Auto Salvage and pulled and got the entire center dash with the driver module, the park, reverse, and drive, shift by wire, the HVAC controller, the tow haul mode, and I got the 120 volt DC converter, as well as a new light switch. And I now have all of the modules talking except the occupant restraint and the electronic power steering and the column, which they may need power when the key's on. I'm now waiting for the dealer to get my RFH receiver hub back in so I can see what else is actually wrong with communicating. Because this is a flash update, I'm not able to post pictures of what I actually found was the issue, but I'm gonna upload a video that I took earlier today. Well, not earlier today, yesterday, when the truck came in. When I got the truck back, I'm going to upload a video of that, which ended up dying because my Monster Digital, I didn't charge it before I started videoing. But I got the entire dash replaced, and everything's communicating except obviously stuff that doesn't have key on. I don't have comms with those, but I do have comms with a lot of stuff that do not have key on engine. That do not require key on and engine off. But I'm waiting for the RFH receiver hub to come so I can get that in. I also got to get new keys. The key I have is not going to work with my receiver hub because the frequency isn't the same. But that's where we're at right now. I wish I could show you guys a picture of the of my Altel showing that all the modules are communicating, but I can't. But you can stick around later and I will upload the video whenever I finish editing it, and actually upload those pictures to that video, which got cut off abruptly.